Hi guys, so welcome back to another vlog. I hope you all are doing great. So today is another weekend that I'm vlogging, but today's weekend is really special because I'm gonna film a pack with me today. So I am going to Miami next week. That's probably when you would be seeing this vlog. So I am gonna pack all of the stuff that I'm taking with me for Miami today itself because next week, like next weekend, I have an exam, and after that weekend I'm already leaving. So I won't really have any time to pack. And also, as goofy and as nerdy it sounds, I love packing. Like, seriously, I just love packing. And the best thing about travel for me is to pack all my stuff up. I don't know why. I know a lot of people hate packing, but I just enjoy the whole process. And I'm gonna show you guys how I pack and how I do all of those things. But if you want like a really small gist of the video, I have done a video in past and I will link it somewhere on the screen. So go ahead and check it out. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I woke up at around 10 o'clock and I didn't have anything since morning. I just had my lemon and ginger water. So right now I'm gonna make some smoothie for me and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my smoothies. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted what else I'm gonna do. So I just took a shower and right now I am gonna make my smoothie and then I'll show you. That's my tripod. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. So I have a lot of things planned for this day and I really want to be like super energetic. So yeah, let's get started. So I just made myself some smoothie and I'm gonna have it while I do my makeup because I have to film two videos. One is gonna be like my try on haul. So I have a loads and loads of work to do. My clothes are already in laundry because I need to clean all of the clothes as well. So my first load of laundry is already in there and the second one is almost ready. So I'm gonna do laundry as well as I'm gonna start filming the video. But before that I have to do my makeup and I have to drink my smoothie. Hey guys, so I am all ready. I just need to change my clothes and then I'm gonna film my try on haul. So I'm gonna try on all the clothes first and then like film the talking part. So it is currently 1 o'clock, so I'm expecting to get done by like 2ish, like 1 hour. I should be done with all of my try on footage and then I'm gonna film like the talking part, which is gonna take like half an hour max. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I really like how my eyes turned out to be today, but the blusher is too strong, but that's fine because in the camera it just does not comes out the way I want it to be. So yeah guys, this is what it is, and right now I'm just gonna quickly film my try on haul and my talking part because then I have to start packing. I have all of these clothes like in this little thingy. This is like my suitcase, and then I have some over there and then some over there. So I have like all of the stuff scattered and I'm gonna try it on, decide what I'm gonna wear, click pictures, and then I'll move on to the packing part. So I just got done filming the try on. It took me a lot of time than I expected it to be, also because I don't have anybody to see how the footage is going, so I have to film everything all by myself. So it took me almost like 1.5 hours, 1 hour 15 minutes to film this try on. Now I'm quickly gonna clean everything up and then I'm gonna sit down to film my talking part where I'm gonna show you guys the clothes and everything. And the mess is so much. Like the room is full of mess right now. If you can see, I've got all these clothes that I need to segregate again. But the good thing is that I also decided all of my clothes, like what I would be taking. Like I click pictures of everything and I try to decide everything beforehand because this helps me a lot. Because earlier when I used to go out, I just used to randomly pick stuff and it never used to work for me. So this time I made sure that I click pictures of everything that I'm gonna take and how I'm gonna style it, so that when I go there it's easy for me to just see the picture and dress. So yeah, I have already decided all of my clothes. I'm quickly gonna film the talking part and then we'll get back to packing. So my suitcase is all packed and this is all of the stuff that I'm gonna take. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick overview. So this is like my jewelry. I'm taking all of these earrings, and this has some of my watches and all of those things, and then these are some q-tips, and then these are all of the lipsticks that I'm taking. So I'm just taking these two from Kylie, and then this is a Maybelline one, and these three actually are very basic lipsticks. And yeah, so I'm not taking a lot of lipsticks. And then this is the highlighter that I'm taking. It's from Colourpop. It's called Wisp. And this is like my foundation, and this is my Clinique Pep Start cream, and this is like an illuminating photo ready illuminator from Revlon, and all of those things. And these are all of like my spray products. So this is like my serum. I'm not really sure if I'll be taking it. And then this is like my spray, and this is my Batiste dry shampoo. This is broad spectrum SPF 30. This is like a body sunscreen, and this is my makeup setting spray. And then I have some skincare over here. So I'm taking this sample size the Face Shop White Seed moisturizing cream, and I have two face masks. That's my eyelashes. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna wear it, but I think I'm gonna take it still. And this is my lip balm, my Benefit Professional primer. This is a makeup removing liquid, and this is like my sunscreen, face sunscreen. This is my Body Shop Satsuma, this is like shower gel. And then I'm taking the Forest Essentials delicate facial cleanser in Mashobra honey, lemon and rose water. I am also taking the Clinique one. This is this I'm gonna keep it like for aeroplane, like if I have to wash my face. And this is my body milk from Nivea. And then I'm taking these two samples, Oils of Life, if I need a serum at night. And this is like the ultra facial cream that I like to carry. And these are the three palettes that I'm taking. This is the Sivana palette, this is Colourpop's Yes Please palette, and this is Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. I know it's a lot, but I just felt like taking a lot. And that's the mask that I'm taking. And this is like my shampoo, because obviously I have to wash my hair if I go inside water. So this is the Tresemme travel size shampoo, and these are like my sunglasses. Sorry, and these are like my toothpaste that I'm gonna take. And for blush, I'm just taking one blush. This is the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick, and this one I think is in pink something. Yeah, I don't, yeah, it's in number 01 pink. So I'm taking this, and this is like a razor if I need something. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna take. And I think I'm also taking this curling wand that I got recently from Remington. So I have to remove all of these and then keep it inside the bag, because the bag is gonna be pretty full. So I have this vanity kit that I'm gonna keep all of my skincare and makeup inside. So yeah, this is what it is, and that's it. I don't think so I have anything else to keep. I'm gonna keep the bags. I'll show you guys in a bit what all bags. Taking a little break from all the packing, and I'm just having some oranges because it's good, it's healthy, and it has loads of vitamin C. So yeah, that's just me. So yeah, oranges. So the bag is almost packed. I just need to pack these two bags. I think I'm not gonna take this one. I'll just take this and this one with me, and also my Michael Kors bag, but I'm really not sure if I'm taking this one or not. But these two are going for sure. So yeah. So I think this was all about it. I'm almost done with all the packing. I just need to wash my makeup brushes and I'll keep it on that day only. I also have to pack my carry-on, but I think I'm gonna pack it just when I leave because I have to keep my toothbrush and all of those little itsy bitsy things that are very essential. So yeah guys, this was all about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like it then please give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on all of my social media because I would be posting a lot of pictures and videos from Miami on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.